Manipur One-Stop Centers, also known as OSCs, a government-funded organization dedicated to supporting women affected by violence, has submitted an official letter to Manipur governor regarding their lack of funding. The official letter was submitted by OSC Imphal East Center Administrator Takilambam Latarani on behalf of all 16 OSCs of the state, seeking immediate intervention from the governor to give directives to relevant authority to expedite the fund release process. The letter also mentioned that the staff of OSCs are working without salary and necessary funds needed for running the OSC for the past 24 months, and that it has greatly affected their efficiency in rendering their ability to provide essential services to women in distress. It may be mentioned that One Stop Center initiative was launched in 2015 under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, and it operates under Mission Shakti scheme. Further, the OSC staffs mentioned in their letter that despite the financial hardships, all 16 OSCs across the state has been unwavering in their commitment to provide crucial support to women amid the ongoing conflict. They also expressed concern that bureaucratic delays at the Secretariat may prevent the timely release of funds which are already sanctioned by the ministry. The letter warned that due to an administrative backlog, the funds may not be processed before the current financial year ends, exacerbating the already precarious situation. They also mentioned in the letter that since 2019, OSCs across the state has registered more than 2,400 cases at various districts, which highlighted the crucial role played by OSCs in assisting women facing violence and abuse both in public and private space.